The main goal of Ancient Iron course is to teach you how to make a real 3D optimized asset with low resolution textures while still maintaining the quality. There will be no bloated 4K textures, no guesswork, only clean pipeline, optimized UVs, topology, and of course at the very end, stunning results. Hey, I'm Jevgeni Laur, I'm a lead 3D character artist and I have been working in game dev industry for over a decade. I have been working on multiple AAA titles and today I wanna bring that AAA workflow directly to you. In this course there will be 6 stages.
Stage 1 – Blocking. In this phase we will focus on laying down the foundation, establishing its proportions and overall structure. Stage 2 – High Poly. This is where your asset comes to life. We dive deep into high poly sculpting techniques to add rich, realistic detail. We will learn different techniques on how to add custom alphas by using UVs, noisemaker and polypaint. Stage 3 – Low Poly. Now we turn our detail sculpt into a game-friendly asset. We'll move into the topology, creating a clean, optimized low poly mesh that will have a proper UVs with minimal stretching. Stage 4 – Texturing. In this stage we'll bring our X to life with PBR texturing techniques, using Substance Painter to layer realistic surface detail, working smart with low resolution textures that still look rich, emphasizing material separation, wood, metal, leather, with edge, wear, grime and story. Stage 5 – Rendering. Now it's time to gather everything together. We will start with setting up textures, creating a custom material and a lighting setup. After, we're going to create a static beauty shots and cinematic animation. Stage 6 – Portfolio. The last stage is all about final presentation. We're going to compile static renders, Unreal 5 video, turntables, and on top of that, we're going to showcase our high poly, and since it's a game-ready model, it's important to showcase our low poly with UVs.
If you're ready to create an asset that look and feel AAA not only visually but also technically, then this course is for you. So let's get started.